Hola! In this episode, we are in my hometown, the city of Madrid. In this video, we will recommend places to eat and also places you may want to avoid. So, let's get started! You can begin your tour in La Puerta del Sol, a very popular spot in the heart of the city. Where can you grab some breakfast in Puerta del Sol? La Mallorquina is a very popular place where you can buy a pastry to take away or eat at a table. They have a wide variety of typical Spanish pastries, and you will surely find something that you like if you have a sweet tooth. We went for a chocolate napolitana and it was very tasty. A few blocks away from La Puerta del Sol, you will find La Plaza Mayor, or the town square. This is the ideal place to stroll around as you take photos of the murals and its beautiful balconies. Yet, this is not the right place to eat, as most of the food they serve in restaurants here tend to be quite disappointing and pricey. Right behind La Plaza Mayor, you can see El Mercado de San Miguel, or St. Michael's Market. Here, you can see all types of traditional and modern food and tapas, which may look very tempting, but please hold your horses. This market is not where local people normally eat or shop. Let me take you a bit down the road for a hidden gem that won't let you down. This is where we always come for a tapa whenever we visit the center. El Mesón del Champiñón, named after its speciality, which is stuffed grilled mushrooms. Unfortunately, our spot was closed because it was still early in the morning and it opens at 11, so please bear this in mind. On the same street, you can find Casa Tint, which holds the World Guinness record for being the oldest restaurant in the world. This place opened in 1725, and its firewood oven hasn't stopped working ever since. It is a family-run business, which is more of a museum experience. We didn't eat here as it was too early to eat that day, and you typically need to have a reservation to have a sit-down meal and try their menu. Many walking tours include this stop, and if you join one, you may take a look at its interior, including its wine cellars and secret passages.
Burası çok acayip bir yer, çok güzel.
We went down to La Latina to check out El Rastro, or the Sunday Street Market. An obligatory stop here is Casa Amadeo, or Los Caracoles, in Spanish, the Snails. Once you enter this museum-like tapas bar, founded in 1942, you will feel the most authentic and traditional Madrid bar atmosphere and tapas choices. If you're lucky, you may as well see the bar owner, Amadeo, a super friendly, energetic and chatty 94-year-old man who takes pride in his establishment and his delicious food.
I'll take over here and tell you about these delicious snails. They serve the snails in a bowl with some chorizo or sausage and some sauce. On the side, they give you some bread to eat with the sauce and toothpicks to help you get the snail out of its shell. You can get a caña or a small beer to drink with it. I just got some water. And now we're ready to eat. So I'm getting ready to eat it. I just grab one of the shells and I use my toothpick to take out the meat from inside it. It comes quite easily, and here you go. This is what you eat. If you want, you can also drink the sauce from inside the shell, or you can grab another one. So let's do it again. Here you can see how it looks on the inside. I use my toothpick again. I just take it out. And at this point, I offered some to my husband, who was not very willing to eat it, but I really, really like it. And, you should try new things in life. With the bread, I want to eat the sauce, which is amazing. Really delicious. And that's it.
Right outside the Plaza Mayor on Botoneras Street, you will see a bar called La Campana, which to me is the perfect place to try the famous Madrid-style calamari sandwich. If you want to try this deli the local way, just a dash of lemon on top will do the job. You will see a queue depending on the time for either takeaway or to sit inside this little traditional bar. Great value, great taste, a perfect snack on the go. Between Puerta del Sol and the Royal Palace, hidden in the narrow street of San Ginés, you'll find the perhaps most famous spot for traditional churros con chocolate, Chocolateria San Ginés. We Spaniards normally have churros either for breakfast, on a weekend, or as an after-lunch 5 o'clock-ish snack with your coffee or a hot and thick Madrid-style chocolate drink. Churros are not sweet per se, so a Madrid sweet tooth like me would add a little bit of guilty sugar on top.